360 Strong Women. I'm going to give you 5 tips for healthy eating.
Your first tip is to focus on plant-forward eating lifestyle. Plant-forward is a style of cooking and eating that emphasizes plant-based foods, but is not strictly limited to them. So this would be fruits and vegetables, but also nuts, seeds, olive oil or avocado oil, whole grains, legumes, and beans. This doesn't mean that you're a vegetarian or a vegan or that you don't eat any meat or dairy. It just means you're going to limit those meats as a condiment instead of as half of your plate. And I'll get to that and explain it. The second is eat colors of the rainbow. So choose dark greens. Dark leafy greens are an excellent source of fiber, folate, and these vegetables contain vitamin C and K and minerals like iron and calcium that are really important for us. In addition, dark green leafy vegetables act as antioxidants in the body. For example, kale, spinach, arugula, Swiss chard, collard greens, mustard greens, dark green peppers, kiwis, grapes, green apples, asparagus, celery, broccoli, cabbage, and melon. Enjoy those dark greens. The next colors on the Eat the Rainbow are the purple and blue plant foods. They're full of antioxidants, particularly those to protect the brain and the nervous system. These deep blues and purple colors, that pigment, can cross the blood-brain barrier to apply their benefits on the brain cells. This is why we call blues and purples. Like an example would be a blueberry, a superfood. It's high in antioxidants and it really helps our brain function. So don't forget to get those in every day. Next on Eat the Colors of the Rainbow are the orange and red and yellow vegetables and fruits. They include things like acorn squash, butternut squash, carrots, Hubbard squash, pumpkin, red bell peppers, sweet potatoes, cantaloupe, red beans, bananas, lemons, yellow peppers, mangoes, chickpeas, squash tomatoes, pineapple, avocados, pears, and oranges. These vegetables and these fruits are a great source of vitamin A, potassium, and fiber. The next quick tip is to ditch the salt and ditch the sugar. Now, I don't mean get rid of it altogether, but ditch the salt. Keep your salt below 1,500 milligrams a day for a healthy heart. That equals 2/3 of a teaspoon, so it's not a lot of added salt. Vegetables and fruits and meats have natural sodium in there, so enjoy the natural sodium that you're getting from whole foods and ditch adding salt to your foods. And then the sugar. Sugar is addictive. We're going to get into this on another video all about sugar and all of the forms it takes. But really quickly, stay under 24 grams or 6 teaspoons of added sugar per day. You want to read those labels because there is added sugar in almost everything, unless you're eating whole foods. Now, people ask me all the time, Beth, and I want to just really quickly talk about this. Fruits have natural sugar in them. It's called fructose. However, real whole fruit also has a lot of fiber. So the way it processes through your body is a little different. Eat real whole fruit and ditch the sugar like sodas and fruit juices and all those processed foods. That's the best way to keep you healthy. All right, we are on tip 4. So tip 4 is eat fiber. Women should eat at least 21 to 25 grams of fiber per day. A simple approach to getting 25 grams of fiber a day in is to eat 100 grams of uncooked whole grains, for instance, or a cup of cooked beans, 2 to 3 servings of fruit, or 200 grams of broccoli, or a half a cup of leafy greens. They're all on the colors of the rainbow. So if you are sticking to whole foods you're eating the colors of the rainbow and fruits and vegetables, you're going to get in fiber. Fiber keeps you full. Fiber makes everything work. So if you have digestive issues, it helps with that. It also keeps you away from cravings. So if you're a person who likes to graze through the day because you have these cravings or you can't satisfy, we want to make sure you're getting enough fiber in. That's going to help you stave off some of these cravings. And the last tip for eating healthy is get in your water. Drink more water. We need 8 ounces of water per day. That's going to keep you hydrated and keep your metabolism working. So if we need our metabolism to come up so that we can burn calories efficiently, have energy through the day, there's so many benefits for water. Drink water, 8 ounces a day. So there you have it, 5 tips for healthy eating. We want to eat plant-forward or plant-based. Have our meat as a condiment instead of as the main portion of our meal. Eat whole foods. We want to eat the colors of the rainbow. Go through all of those colors. The deeper, darker, the more vibrant the color, the more nutrients are in them. We also want to get in fiber, ditch our salt and sugar, and drink water. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day, and don't forget to live your life 360. Until next time.